Cool! Today everyone from CashMorrow.com because that makes me more excited. On today's video game, my review of the Mobius app, a unique entry into pay-to-play arena which pays you for every install and it promises to pay you for watching TikTok, legit or scam. Thank you very much for joining me. So let's get the first part out of the way like always. The app is legit. It will pay you out. It does, however, have a very unique payment method, which I have not seen in any of the apps so far, but we'll get to that in a little bit. First off, I want to give my review of the app itself. So, much like other apps of its ilk that I've reviewed, it is a pay to play or pay to, I guess, act, meaning that the app itself will pay you for doing certain things in games, such as, in this case, installing the games, reaching certain levels, etc., etc., or in some cases, potentially even watching ads. And like I said, watching TikTok. So let's get that one quickly out of the way. I'm not a big fan of the platform myself, but it is very popular, and some of these apps are actually now incorporating TikTok as one of the options in the pay to act category. So let me show you an example here. So here is the TikTok. So as you can see right here, and it still show it as installing it. So you see right there, get started, install the game. So you get $1 payout for app that you install, which is the most generous I've seen so far in any of these. That just gives you the payout just for installing it. Now, I wouldn't recommend installing it and then not running it because you might not get credit that way. But once you install it and you run it for the limit is always 2 minutes. So install it, play it for 2 minutes, and then you're good to go, and then you will get your dollar. And now, here are the tasks that are listed. So unfortunately, I didn't complete all of them. Uh, I just didn't have the time when I installed it, unfortunately. I thought I would. But you can see right there, scroll TikTok at least 10 minutes in the first day. And I did that, and it gave me $4.80. I'm sad I didn't get the rest of them, but it is pretty good payout, as you can see right there. So I would definitely recommend at least this doing TikTok on here. Hopefully you have not installed it yet on your device. But let me go through a few other ones. Now, one of the criticisms I have is that it seems that some of these tasks do expire somewhat quickly, and some of the tasks, the payouts, I'll show you in a second, are a little bit on the low side. So Monopoly Go, I feel is getting a little bit inconsistent, but this payout is actually higher than the app I'm going to, or you might have already seen me review, which is Free Cash for reaching the boards, and the time allowed to reach them is actually not bad, but you do have to commit. So you really cannot do more than maybe a few of these at a time, because if you do, you won't have time to complete them in time. And as you see right there, that's expired. Some of them don't expire, even though they technically are. That's another thing that needs to be worked on here. But I forgot to mention at the beginning, I am running this on my Nord N200 device. So that phone is several years old. It's nowhere near high end, and the app runs pretty well on here. It's actually more responsive than the Free Cash app, which is pretty crazy. But there's a large variety of games available for you to install and play. Right now I'm going through this Heroes and versus Horde Survivor, which is a vampire survivor clone. It's pretty fun. I've already done a few of these. I'm, trying to get close to chapter 20, but it's getting difficult. We'll see if I reach it. But as you can see right there, completing an in-app purchase is 150. I'm a bit hesitant about doing any of those right now because I don't have any extra Google Play credit to burn. But as you can see right here, if you open the game in 40 days in a row, you get $12. And you can see right there, these are the past ones or the ones that I missed, unfortunately. So there you go. But there's so many different options on here and all these extras as well. The complete quiz day for 180 days. I want to keep the app installed just for that part there, honestly, because I really want to see if they actually will get paid out $180 for completing that task. But that's just one. Let's go through another example, not just a Monopoly Go. Here's Arrow Out. Unfortunately, with this one, I played this on several apps in a row, so my, I guess, patience for this one kind of wore thin. But the payouts on here aren't the greatest. But as you can see, with this one, it was $2 to install the game, which is pretty darn cool. You can see here in a total of $5 from any game quest. So the games have a different variety of, or combination of goals, which I really do like. And you can always join these leaderboards here. I won 30 cents off of one of them once, but you do have to make sure that you actually join in because it will not join you automatically. I wish this looked a little bit different. I wish the available didn't show the games you already have installed, because then it's, it's a bit confusing. But so let's see what's available here. So as you can see, I've installed quite a few that I haven't really finished on, but these are the new ones. It's Hello Millions. You have Hero Wars Alliance, McLuck Social Casino. This is another it's another pay to play one that I haven't tried actually, so it might be time to double dip, guys. But that is it for the way the app itself works. So let's show you the payouts. So the payouts are unique in the way that the only option is Visa gift cards. That's it. Only Visa gift cards. Now, the positive is that there's no charge to you, meaning that if you see 15 and you claim 15, you get 15. You're not going to get any percentage taken off, none of those shenanigans. You get the actual 15 bucks. Now, another requirement is that you do need to go through the ID recognition. It does require a United States identification, and you have to take a selfie with the camera. One piece of feedback that I also gave to the developers, which, by the way, the cash out period is the one thing that I am not in love with, because of the fact that it did vary a lot. The first time I did it, it just said waiting for approval, and then eventually it said you need to do ID verification. Then I did it, and then it was 3 more days after that, and I still didn't get anything. So then I emailed the developers. I never say that this is for a YouTube review or anything, because I feel that that could skew the results. I'm not saying this is a big channel by any stretch, but I want to act like a regular consumer first. They got back to me in about a week, apologized, and stated, but the Mobius team is a small team, but they're a very passionate sort, and that's good to hear. I told them that I actually had so much more money that I wanted to do a second cash out and then wait from there, and then if they paid that one, then I might do an actual review. They're asking for, as much feedback as possible. And I waited for a week on that one, and I emailed them. And then they said, "We apologies for the wait. We see that this is already paid out, so it might have been a coincidence. I'm not sure." I sent the email in the morning. When they replied at nighttime, it was already paid out. And as you can see on the top right there, I have another $21 left. So I am going to continue using the app because, well, first of all, I'm not going to let those $21 go to waste. I want to hopefully get to at least 25, and some of those other apps have all these goals that are potentially very lucrative. My only hesitation with a full recommendation on this, honestly, is just the time to wait on the payouts. But I must say that I think out of all the apps I've done, and I've messaged a lot of the developers when I'm not getting my payout back, I think I've only been able to get a response out of 1 or 2 of them. And I've reviewed dozens of these. I haven't gone to hundreds, but I know it's been at least dozens and dozens of these. And the fact that they actually did get back to me, and it was not an AI or anything, it was actual people responding, I do appreciate that. So if you've been through some of the other easier ones, like you already went through Misplay, Swag Bucks, and you're looking for another option, or if you don't mind that this is Visa gift cards, the payouts are actually pretty good compared to other apps. I would definitely say give them a shot. And if you don't get your payout, make sure you just email the devs and they'll get back to you. But that's it for this one, guys. Thank you very so much for joining me. Go out to play some games, make some money, spend some money, see some money, get boned. Get boning.